Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to make your slides pop? I'll show you how to animate your Canva presentations. Click the Create button to start a new project. From the options that appear, select Presentation. Choose Presentation as your project type to begin customizing your slides and adding your content. In this template section, you can choose any option you want. For this example, simply click to select one template from the available choices on the screen. Here we have a document with 11 pages. Click the Apply All button to apply all 11 pages to your current slide. This will automatically load each page as a new slide in your presentation. Once finished, you'll see each page displayed on its own slide, ready for you to review and edit as needed. To add a transition, select the transition type you want. Next, adjust the duration for the transition as needed. If you want the same transition on every page, click Apply between all pages. This will automatically set the selected transition and duration across all pages, making your project consistent and saving you time during the editing process. To select all pages, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Then, click the edge of the first page and the edge of the last page. This will allow you to select every page in between at once. Click the Edit Timing button. In the Timing field, type 2 and press Enter to set the duration. Now, each slide will display for exactly 2 seconds. This adjustment applies the new timing across all slides, ensuring a consistent presentation pace. You can always change the timing again by repeating these steps to fit your needs for each slide. Next, locate and click the presentation screen icon. This will switch your view to presentation mode, allowing you to see all the slides displayed in sequence. You can navigate through the slides using the arrows on your keyboard or by clicking the navigation buttons on screen. Review each slide to ensure the content appears as expected. If you need to exit presentation mode, press the Escape key or use the Exit button at the top of the interface. After completing your initial design, you can add elements by selecting the Elements tab. Browse the available options and click to insert any element you want into your project. Once an element is added, you can personalize your design further by adding animation. Click on the selected element, then choose the Animate button. Pick any animation style from the list to apply movement effects. Adjust settings as needed to match your design preference. After finishing your design, click the Share button. From the drop-down, select Download. Choose the MP4 video format for your file. Next, adjust the video quality settings to your preference. Ensure that all pages is selected so your entire design is included in the download. Once everything is set, click the Download button to save your video to your computer. Wait for the download to complete. You can also save your work as a PowerPoint file by selecting the download option and choosing PowerPoint format. Try out those Canva presentation animations and wow your audience. If you found this helpful, give a like and subscribe for more.